Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to download your Mercury bank statement. So let's get started. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to quickly download your Mercury bank statement. First, sign into your Mercury account from the dashboard. It's recommended to use a desktop or laptop so you can easily access all the options. After logging in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the Activity tab. Next, select the date range or the specific month for which you want to download the statement. Once you've chosen the correct period, click on the Download button. Then select the file format you prefer. You can choose PDF if you want a printable version, or CSV if you need it for spreadsheets or financial analysis. Mercury will prepare your statement within a few seconds. After it's generated, simply download and save the file to your computer or device. This can be useful for record keeping, tax filing, or sharing with your accountant. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.